Begin by removing the outer casing, unscrewing and setting aside each panel. Stock footage shows close-ups of hands separating the motherboard from the plastic shell, with labels pointing to key components. Next, focus on the cooling fan and heat sink, which often contain profitable copper and aluminum. Carefully detach these parts, noting their weight and metal content for potential resale. Now, turn your attention to the circuit board itself. Close-up shots reveal gold-plated connectors and silver-tipped solder points. These are your primary sources of precious metals. Use pliers and precision tools to remove chips and connectors, while the labels identify gold, silver, and copper-rich areas. Remember to sort each material into labeled containers for maximum organization and value. Finally, gather all extracted materials and compare them to current scrap metal prices, shown in a quick on-screen chart. Properly dispose of plastic and non-valuable parts at an e-waste facility, as demonstrated by footage of an e-waste yard. By following these steps, you can maximize the profit from every PS3 you scrap, turning old electronics into valuable resources for recycling and resale.